Royal Row housing powered by Coldwell Banker Apex, and I invite you to come in to see this new listing we have in Richardson. This house offers an open concept living room, dining room with a fireplace, vaulted ceilings, 4 big windows for lots of natural lights, perfect for entertainment. Can you imagine having a big family table right here in front of the fireplace, walking into an amazing L-shaped sofa with a 65-inch TV right here, plenty of room for the kiddos to play around, or even your friends to sit around, have a great experience dining, playing card games. This is the house for you, entertainment-wise, amazing. Now we're coming into an amazing big-size master bedroom. Just imagine having your king-size bed right here with a dresser, a nice mirror for you ladies that obviously would like to look good for the cameras, and an amazing corner TV right here for you guys. You need to have something too. And we also come into, you don't have to share your closet. You have 2 amazing walk-in closets. Now we're here in the master bathroom, and we have 1 sink, very spacious. We have 1 walk-in closet right here, bathtub and toilet, and then we have another walk-in closet right here. You also have the amazing possibilities, just opening the door and you're back in the living room. Okay, now I'm taking you to the second bedroom. No carpet, for those people that just like to have carpet. And then we walk into a Jack and Jill bathroom. The Jack and Jill bathroom offers, again, another 2 walk-in closets. And in this one, you actually have a separate door for the toilet and the bathtub. And then we come into the second walk-in closet. And this leads up to the third bedroom. Amazing for kids, amazing for roommates. Lots of space any which way you want to use it. And now after you have the bedrooms, we come into the laundry room, attic space, great for storage, very easy access. And let me just take you on a tour of the kitchen. Now we're coming to this amazing kitchen. As you can see, we have lots of storage space, double oven, stove. Then we have a peninsula with an eating kitchen and sliding doors that are going to take into the amazing yard with a covered patio, 2-core carport. This is an amazing house. Don't let it go. It's not going to be in the market for too long.